Imagine the aroma of a Neapolitan pizza, its crust perfectly charred, cheese bubbling, and smoky wood-fired flavor wafting through your backyard. With this PolarcoForgeco Rotatable wood-fired pizza oven 12-inch, silver, that dream becomes reality in just 90 seconds. This portable, high-performance pizza oven is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, blending convenience, durability, and authentic flavor. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or camping under the stars, this oven delivers restaurant-quality results with ease. Let's dive into why this pizza oven deserves a spot in your outdoor kitchen and how it transforms your cooking experience. Why choose the PolarcoForgeco 12-inch pizza oven? Outdoor cooking often comes with challenges. Uneven heat, long cooking times, or lackluster flavors that leave guests wanting more. The PolarcoForgeco pizza oven tackles these issues head-on, offering a compact yet powerful solution for crafting pizzas, steaks, seafood, and more. Its innovative design and premium materials make it a standout choice for anyone craving authentic wood-fired cuisine without the hassle of a bulky brick oven. Here's why this oven is a must-have for your next gathering. Key features that set it apart. Blazing fast cooking. Reaches 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 450 degrees Celsius in just 30 minutes, baking a perfect 12-inch pizza in 90 seconds. Say goodbye to long waits and hello to continuous baking for hungry crowds. Rotatable pizza stone. The 210 degrees rotatable pizza stone ensures even cooking without manual turning, saving you effort and preventing burnt crusts. Food-grade SUS 430 stainless steel. Crafted for durability, this material offers superior corrosion resistance and heat conductivity, handling temperatures up to 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, 816 degrees Celsius for versatile cooking. Wood-fired flavor. A specially designed fuel tray supports charcoals, hardwood chunks, or fruit woods, letting you customize flavors for authentic Neapolitan pizzas or smoky grilled dishes. Portable design. With foldable legs and a detachable chimney and hopper, this oven is easy to assemble, store, and transport, perfect for camping, picnics, or backyard parties. Multi-fuel versatility. Some models support both wood and propane, giving you flexibility for consistent or smoky results. Easy to clean. The stainless steel surface makes cleaning a breeze, so you can focus on cooking rather than scrubbing. Benefits that elevate your cooking game. Restaurant-quality results at home. Achieve crispy, leopard-spotted crusts and perfectly melted cheese without a professional setup. The high heat and rotatable stone mimic traditional brick ovens, delivering authentic flavors every time. Versatility for any dish. Beyond pizzas, this oven handles steaks, seafood, vegetables, and bread, making it a multi-purpose tool for creative cooks. Experiment with fruit woods for a sweet, smoky twist or charcoals for steady heat. Perfect for any occasion. Its portable design and quick setup make it ideal for spontaneous gatherings, family pizza nights, or outdoor adventures. Impress guests with fresh, hot pizzas in minutes. Who's it for? The PolarcoForgeco 12-inch pizza oven is perfect for home chefs, those who love experimenting with recipes and want to elevate their outdoor cooking with authentic wood-fired flavors. Camping enthusiasts. Lightweight and portable, it's a great companion for outdoor adventures, turning campsites into gourmet kitchens. Party hosts. Ideal for backyard BBQs, picnics, or family gatherings, this oven keeps the food coming fast and fresh. Pizza aficionados. If you're obsessed with Neapolitan-style pizza, the rotatable stone and high heat deliver professional results at home. Real-world performance. What users are saying. Customers rave about the PolarcoForgeco's ease of use and portability, praising its ability to cook pizzas quickly and evenly. The rotatable stone is a fan favorite, with one user noting, "The ability to easily rotate the pie is a game changer." However, some mention a learning curve for fuel management and temperature control, with occasional challenges like door expansion when hot. With practice, users find the sweet spot, around 500 degrees Fahrenheit for many, yields perfect results. Pro tip: use a pizza peel with cornmeal for easy sliding and keep the fuel tray stocked for consistent heat. Why it stands out in a crowded market. Compared to competitors, The PolarcoForgeco shines with its rotatable stone, eliminating the need for frequent manual turning, a common pain point with other 12-inch ovens. Its SUS 430 stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy maintenance, unlike some models with non-removable stones that complicate cleaning. While larger ovens offer bigger cooking surfaces, they're less portable and pricier, making the PolarcoForgeco a better value for compact, versatile performance. The verdict: is it worth it? The PolarcoForgeco Rotatable wood-fired pizza oven 12-inch. Silver is a stellar choice for anyone seeking authentic wood-fired cooking in a portable, user-friendly package. Its rapid heating, rotatable stone, and durable construction make it a standout for pizza lovers and outdoor cooks alike. While there's a slight learning curve for mastering fuel and temperature, the results, crispy, smoky, restaurant-quality dishes, are well worth it. At an affordable price point, it's a fantastic investment for elevating your culinary game. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.